Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting ingredients and tools in place. This saves time later. Combine chopped 200 g dark chocolate and 100 g butter in a heatproof bowl. Melt gently over simmering water. While melting, whisk 120 g sugar with 2 eggs until just pale. This adds structure and moisture. Once chocolate is glossy, fold a small portion into the eggs to temper them, then combine everything. Make sure to scrape sides. Layering flavors begins now. You move into the core technique, gentle folding and controlled heat. Once batter is homogeneous, fold in 50 g chopped nuts or 30 g cocoa nibs for texture. Do this slowly to preserve air. Transfer batter to the prepared 20 cm pan, smooth the top, and tap to release trapped bubbles. Bake at 175 degrees for about 18-22 minutes. Timing depends on oven and pan depth. Make sure to check with a toothpick. A few moist crumbs mean perfect. You finish by controlling cool down and slicing for best texture. Let the loaf sit 15-20 minutes before lifting from pan. This sets crumb and prevents breakage. Then cool fully on a wire rack. Chilling briefly makes cleaner cuts. When slicing, heat a clean knife under hot water and wipe between cuts for sharp edges. If your batch is dry, reduce bake time or lower oven by 5 degrees next time. If the center is too wet, return to oven for 2-4 minutes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.